The age of AI is here.
Artificial intelligence, the opportunities it presents and the dangers it poses.
Godfather of artificial intelligence has quit his job at Google, warning of the dangers of AI.
Still have a job next year?
I am signing a pension with no dollars.
There will be fewer and fewer jobs that a robot cannot do better.
Choosing the wrong profession in this era can mean a one-way ticket to unemployment. And I get it. That's probably a bit overwhelming, especially if you're unsure about how to navigate your career in this rapidly changing world of AI and automation. But take a deep breath, because I've uncovered the insider strategies you need to discover your dream career in this era. After spending countless late nights digging into the latest research, picking the brains of industry leaders, and experimenting with cutting-edge career tactics myself, I'm breaking it all down for you in this step-by-step video. We'll cover everything from the mindsets that will set you up for long-term success to the imaginative new job roles that you can explore, to skill-building strategies to future-proof your career. There's a ton of ground to cover together. But first, let's acknowledge the obvious. We're living in extraordinary times. Technologies like machine learning and natural language processing that once seemed like sci-fi fantasy are now transforming industries from healthcare to education to transportation and beyond. The pace of AI advancement is absolutely mind-blowing. We as humans think linearly, but what's happening right now with AI is exponential. Just look at ChatGPT. This chatbot gives remarkably human-like responses. It can write creative stories and poetry and computer code, and can even pass exams in law, business, and medicine. It's certainly impressive, though not without flaws. But ChatGPT gives us a small glimpse into the tremendous power of artificial intelligence technologies still to come. From personalizing education to democratizing knowledge access to boosting business efficiency and innovation, AI stands to be an incredible game changer if shaped positively. So it's normal to feel overwhelmed and uncertain given such rapid change. Confusion around how your skills may need to shift, concerns about whether AI will take or create new kinds of jobs. I get it. Here's the key though. This technology revolution is not slowing down anytime soon. So the best move is to embrace it. See this new era as a chance to upgrade your skills, expand your thinking, and redefine work on your terms. With the right mindsets and strategies, which we'll cover step by step today in this video, you can absolutely ride the wave to an amazing career doing what you love. Now, let's dive deeper into the mental shifts that you need to thrive. Finding career success in the age of AI requires adopting new mental models, new lenses through which to view technology, opportunity, and change itself. First, become insatiably curious. And I'm sure you've heard this before about being curious, but it's more important now than ever to be insatiably curious, to be unsatisfyingly curious. Maintain a learning posture and view emerging tech like AI as an exciting innovation to incorporate, not a threat. So study how it can augment human creativity and potential. Staying curious expands your possibilities exponentially. The next thing is to get comfortable with ambiguity. Like, this is huge. Right now, more than ever, you have to be comfortable with things not being very clear. As technology rapidly progresses, the skills and careers that are most valued will continuously be redefined. Don't rigidly adhere to a fixed 5-year or 10-year career plan. Stay agile, flexible, and excited to continuously expand your capabilities. And the last one is to commit to lifelong learning. You've probably heard that before: continuous improvement, continuous learning. It's so much more important now than ever. It's actually the new norm, is continuous learning. So really focus on building up digital literacy, technical competency in areas like data science. The goal is to complement AI by collaborating seamlessly with it and not compete with it. I know leaning into uncertainty and constant skill expansion and acquisition can feel uncomfortable when all you crave is clarity and comfort. I get it. I feel the same way too. But trust me, with an open, curious mindset, you will uncover incredible opportunities that once seemed unimaginable. On to the practical strategies and tools that you need to thrive in this emerging landscape. If you've ever thought about getting a career coach, well, now you actually have a personalized AI career coach at your fingertips 24/7. Seriously, look no further than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an amazing resource for personalized career guidance. Feeling unsure or indecisive about your core strengths or your passions? No problem. Ask ChatGPT to interview you about your interests, past experiences, skills, and values. It can analyze your responses for patterns and highlight talents or topics worth exploring further. How meta is that? So, are you stuck choosing between multiple appealing career options? Well, describe your unique blend of skills, work styles and preferences, and lifestyle goals to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can then suggest suitable roles across a wide range of industries and dive deeper into details for you. ChatGPT is also great for targeted skill building. Ask for personalized lessons to teach yourself high demand skills like coding, data science, digital marketing, UX design, and more. Like, it can provide interactive technical learning just for you. You can even have ChatGPT review your resume and provide feedback to highlight and quantify your strongest skills and accomplishments. Or you could do mock interviews so you can practice articulating your value until you shine. So this is basically AI powered career prep. Now, remember, ChatGPT's advice is simply an input to complement your own research, reflection, and career planning. Think of it as your very own career mentor. Here are a few examples of how you could leverage ChatGPT to support your career growth. Number one, ask it to analyze your skills and interests, then suggest 5 career paths aligned to them for you to explore further. Its outside perspective could uncover options you never considered. The second thing you can do is, if you're interested in tech but you're not sure where to start, have ChatGPT design a personalized learning plan for you to build core skills like programming or data science. It can suggest courses, projects, and resources tailored to your goals. The third thing you can do before a big interview is do mock Q&As with ChatGPT so it can help you practice articulating your experience and skills confidently. Refine your responses based on its feedback. The fourth thing you can do, if you're struggling to quantify your achievements on your resume, give ChatGPT some examples and have it generate powerful data-driven accomplishment statements that you can showcase your impact to potential employers. The fifth thing you can do is ask ChatGPT to roleplay as a mentor and coach you through career dilemmas or big decisions. Discussing your thought process out loud can help bring clarity. The options are literally endless. Use ChatGPT as a catalyst to unlock your career potential. With the right mindset and AI support system in place, the fun part comes next. Exploring exciting careers at the intersection of your passion and emerging technology. Here are 5 key steps I recommend to map your career in the age of AI. The first one is start by getting ultra clear on your core interests, motivators, and values. Analyze energizing past experiences and patterns. Reflect on what fulfillment truly means to you. ChatGPT can help prompt this self-discovery process. Once you identify those passions, research how technologies like AI and automation could amplify and enhance related roles. For example, if you love education, explore how AI is transforming personalized learning. Dream big about your ideal career future. The third thing, talk directly to professionals working in intriguing AI-enhanced roles to learn from their real-world experiences. Cold email people for quick virtual coffee chats. Discover new career paths you never knew existed. The fourth thing, think expansively about creative career combinations that merge your distinct human strengths with technical domains. For example, AI ethics, ensuring policies for responsible tech development. Blend your passions. The fifth thing is to proactively build high-demand skill sets like data science and machine learning through online courses and certifications. Continuous upskilling will be the key to staying relevant. Mapping your career in this new age of AI is an ongoing journey, and technology and roles are rapidly advancing. But with the right mindset, effort, and exploration, your dream job awaits. Now, let's look at a few futuristic career paths to get your imagination flowing. So, AI translator. You could translate language in real time using AI-powered earpieces as you meet with international clients. Autonomous vehicles engineer. You could design intelligent, self-driving vehicles leveraging AI navigation and sensing capabilities. Medical chatbot developer. Build conversational AI chatbots that make diagnosis and healthcare advice more accessible. Personalized learning designer. So you would create adaptive education content and experiences tailored to each student using AI. Quantum machine learning researcher. So you would develop next generation AI systems powered by quantum computing. Digital twin engineer. So you would construct virtual 3D simulations of objects and systems to study using AI and big data. Food science automator. So this job would be about implementing machine learning and robotics to optimize food production for farming and manufacturing. The possibilities are endless once you start cross-pollinating your interest with AI's expanding capabilities. I want to re-emphasize that there's so much potential to blend your unique talents and interests with the power of AI to create positive change. Make lifelong learning your superpower. There are so many free and low-cost ways that you can continuously expand your skill set. And know that there will always be more to learn as technology continues to advance. And keep cultivating creativity, empathy, and emotional intelligence. These are distinctly human gifts that AI cannot replicate yet. Lead with social and emotional strengths first and complement them with technical know-how. This is the career sweet spot for you. Most importantly, get excited about this new frontier. You have the chance to redefine work on your own terms and make amazing contributions only made possible by AI's capabilities. Your possibilities are literally limitless if you approach this new era with an open mind. So tell me, are you feeling pumped up and empowered to find your fulfilling career in this new era? Make sure you share your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your hopes, questions, and ideas. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and share with others who need guidance mapping their career in this time of transformation. Keep dreaming big. The future is yours to shape. I'll be right here cheering you on at each step.